starting on the heel, using the forearms just below the wrist, glide down over the arch of the foot and up the back of the leg. You can change the angle slightly, so coming forwards to get a bit more of the medial foot, and then gliding up the medial side and into that medial gastroc. Hello guys, welcome to the Physio channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple massage techniques to reduce pain and tension in the foot, specifically for plantar fasciopathy. Let's move on to have a look at some of the other techniques you can do to reduce foot pain. Using the back of your hands, start just over the ball of the foot and then apply some pressure down through the arch. When you're performing these massage techniques, you're going to want to use some massage cream, oil or wax. I prefer to use wax. In the description for this video, I'll put some options so you can have a look at the sort of things that you could use. Come in, have a closer look at this third technique. This is a great technique for getting into those tender points, and if you find any sore spots, any trigger points, then just pause on those and perhaps add a little bit more pressure to see if you can reduce the sensitivity. Don't do this technique for too long, 1 to 2 minutes at the most, so that you don't wear out your thumbs and overstress your thumb joints. For an added extra technique, I'm going to use a myofascial cup that creates a vacuum underneath and provides a perfect soft tissue handle to do some mobilization of the soft tissue in the plantar fascia. The next video I recommend you watch is this one showing on the screen here, which shows you how to use tools to reduce pain in the foot.